Max foils an illegal transaction at a night market using his wits and skills. Max infiltrates the night market where the illegal transaction is to take place and foils the evil plan. Max pretends to be a balloon seller, tailing the Mafia henchmen at the amusement park. Max observes the Mafia henchmen calmly. Max finds a secret safe under a park bench using his keen nose. Max smells a strong metallic odor inside the secret safe. Max uses a secret code to contact the commander, reporting an important discovery. Max contacts the commander via police radio, informing him that a safe was found under a park bench.